What's going on, people? It's Cause back in the cup with another video if you lot. So today's video is going to be a bit different, and the reason why is I've installed some nice front grills, headlights and fog lights. However, normally when I do videos, it would be 3-4 weeks before I even upload anything on YouTube, get all the editing done and whatnot. So what I actually done was I done everything, I installed the car, had the whole video on lockdown, like I had the video patterned, yeah. In my head, I said, yeah, this is gonna happen, this is gonna happen, that. So normally when I do it, I put a USB into the phone, copy all the data across, and then from that, slap it over to obviously the MacBook or the desktop, whatever I'm gonna be using to obviously make my video edits. However, when I done that, transferring it to the USB device, I thought everything was copied off, and then from that, when I was connected to the computer, everything got swiped completely, like finished, finito. So I'm doing a video now, more or less, to kind of show you what I've done. So give me a second and I'll show you the car right now. So, as you can see, yeah, we've got the lights installed, we've got the double grills installed, and as well as that, we've got the fog lights as well, yeah. So let me just turn the fog lights on, so you can see that nice full effect. Cool. So what would have normally happened is, in terms of obviously how we got everything installed, we would have had to open up the front bonnet itself. There's some screws behind the wheels, underneath the car, and on top here. Same for the other side. We take the whole front skirt off itself. First thing we've done, which was getting the fog lights installed. So as you can see, they're nice, crisp, they're bright. One of the best. They're supported actually by a company called Night Eye. So I'll leave a link in the description for you lot in terms of that. Next, in terms of the front wheels as well, so as you can see, we've got double ding front wheels, which has now been done, and as well as that, the trimmings all around it, which is custom carbon fiber. You know I love my custom carbon fibers, right? You get me? And the main bit, of course, obviously, is the headlights. Now with the headlights, they can all change colour as well. So there's an app on your phone which you just download. So I'll just show you lot on here. So it's called Mars app. Don't know why it's called Mars, but you know, from that obviously we can turn brightness, the whiteness, and obviously every colour itself. So if I made the car whiter, boom, that should do that. If I want to change the colour, so let me just log into that quickly. Boom, so as you can see, look, man's got the red and green effect there going on. Get me? Come on. I can make it a lot brighter as well. Change the colours around. So we've got nice blue, purple, other colours as well. You get me? Nice blue there as well. Nice blue effect going on. Come on. You know what I'd be doing out here. So that's more or less it. Unfortunately, as I said, the whole video of the point of it was to obviously show how we got everything installed and whatnot, which was the main part, as it took me like nearly 3-4 hours. Like literally, I was there putting in that work. I was mashing it out, you know what I'm gonna say. But unfortunately, couldn't happen. So main thing is, at least you get to see what I've done, what I've custom done, and obviously I've got more stuff. Oh, actually as well, come. Let me show you that. The car was closed. 1 second. If you want to come around this way as well, I've also got a brand new dash cam which I've just installed right up here. That's one of the best things there, features. I've got it kind of wired from the top all the way around here, embedded in the actual interior itself, going all the way to the back of itself. So I'm not going to be able to show you more or less in terms of the way how it's connected. It's connected in the glove compartment right behind it. So normally when you get a what do they call them things, the black box, yeah, I was thinking I'm about to give my head just now still, but normally with the black box itself is when you have that connected, obviously they connect to more or less a ground wire and your fuse box. So that is how I've actually connected mine. I've got a fuse box right behind the glove box. I connect that in there. I could have had it connected in terms of the cigarette car charger, but I wanted to obviously, you know, less wires as much as possible. So I've basically connected it straight into the fuse box itself, and then I've just ground wired it onto something that's obviously that generates electricity current. So even when the car's turned off, this is still on 24/7. I can record in it, and obviously the whole point of why I've actually done that is, you know, when I go on them journeys, them trips, if I hit up them car events, you know, a little South End, a little Birmingham, you know what I'm trying to say, boom, obviously I can just kind of video the journey and obviously add that into like a new little switch player, you know, some type of filtering effect on there. So more or less, obviously that's it for today's show. It's more or less a quick thing, like a little vlog, so obviously hope you lot enjoyed it. If you lot want me to install anything else on the car, and you know you thought of a good idea, put a comment below. I can see if I can get that done in it. Like I'm thinking more or less, you know, starting to do like a stage 1 effect in terms of performance wise. There are other things that I will be doing to the car, but if there's anything that obviously pops into your head, please let me know. Apart from that, it's Cause TV, and I'm out.